if you've gone on a cruise, the first thing you do before you set sail is you go to a muster drill. It tells you your muster station is station D. And so you'll report to station D. They will check your name off and they'll say, when you come out here, if there is an emergency and you hear, please report to your muster stations, you will tell your name. Now they've got little tablets. They can click off your name very quickly to check you in. Used to, they'd put them on clipboards and things like that and have a clipboard there, and they'd check off everybody as they got into a lifeboat. They lower a lifeboat.